Hello, welcome to the project on Wi-Fi Controlled Robot. This is the robot assembly of Wi-Fi Controlled Robot. The parts used in this robot are Arduino Uno board, an L293 power motor driver circuit, ESP8266 module. I have used a power bank to power the Arduino Uno board and a 9-volt battery to power the motor driver circuit. Now I will be showing the Arduino code which is used to control the robot. This is the Arduino board which is used to control the robot. Now we can control the robot by using the arrow keys on my keyboard. I am using a HTML page to connect to my robot. I have entered my IP address of the ESP8266 module, and now I can control the robot using the arrow keys on my keyboard. Here we go. Thanks for watching.